Hi friends, welcome once again. And if you have any doubt at any point, then you can comment in comment box so that at the last I can give your answer of that one. Is it clear up to this point? There should be no doubt. Yes or no? You will enjoy a lot all these things. As we know that GATE 2021 will be organized by the IIT Bombay. That one is IIT Bombay. Is it clear? Now, first highlights of the GATE 2021. What are the highlights of the this GATE exam? As we know that up to this year or up to last year, the GATE exam will be conducted only and only up to last year they conducted only and only Saturday and Sunday. But this year or next year they are going to conduct the GATE exam in two slots. One slot is 6, 7, 5, 6, and 7, and second slot is 12, 13, and 14. Every year they conducted only Saturday and Sunday, but this time they included Friday also. Why they included Friday? Because a student can attempt two papers so that there will be no clash of those papers. That's why this time this type of criteria is there. Is it clear? And there are two sessions in each paper. Like one is morning and one is afternoon. Is it clear? Now again, it is fully CBT computer based test. This till last year GATE is conducted or in total 25 subjects, but this year they included two more branches, that is environmental engineering, science and engineering, and second one is humanities, but that is there is no significance for us for that one. Is it clear? Now total number of paper is 27. Is it clear? Now things, first change is in the GATE. The first change in the GATE, that all the test paper of GATE 21 will be entirely objective type, and the pattern will be multiple choice questions. Then there will be no doubt in this one because till last year also we follow this pattern. Now they add this new pattern, that is multiple select question. That is multiple select question because this pattern already they followed in IIT JEE exams, but in GATE there was no such type of pattern. Such type of pattern we will face first time, and believe me, it will increase the toughness level of your exam. Why it will increase the toughness level of your exam? Because numerical will have only one answer. Numerical cannot have more than one answer, but it means the weightage of the theory will increase. Up to last year, students skipped so many topics and just they mucked up the formula and their work will be done. But from this year onwards, if you are not good in theory, then automatically it will create a problem for you. Is it clear? That's why your main focus is theory as well as numericals. Otherwise, automatically suppose they will give five questions in GATE, then automatically and you are not able to solve one or two, three questions, then its effect will be in your rank. Is it clear? Second, third one is NAT, numerical answer type already. This already exists. Is it clear? Up to last year, only one student allowed one paper, but this time or from this year, one student can appear in two papers. Is it clear? And the dates of these two papers will not clash. This is the this one. Is it clear? Because but you need to choose a from a combination. You cannot appear for any exam. Is it clear? Or for any subject. The subjects, the branch which are related to our chemical engineering branch. Is it clear? Now, next one is one or more important thing is that eligibility criteria is relaxed because now if you are in third year also, then automatically you are able to appear the GATE. But up to last year, if you are in final year or if you are pass out, then only you was able to write the GATE. Is it clear? So this is it will increase the competition and as well as number of aspirants in the GATE. Third one is that there is no age limit. A 100-year-old person can also appear in a GATE. Is it clear? Now next one, application will be accepted online through the GATE 2021. Next one is your GATE score is valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of result. What is the meaning of this 3-year result? This 3-year result meaning is that Suppose you qualified your GATE in GATE 2021. Then in next 3 years, you can get admission in any IITs for higher studies with the help of that score. But for recruitment or for PSUs, you need current year score. For PSUs, you need current year score. Otherwise, old score is not maybe in bar or in some NPCIL or in bar. In IO 2 year score, two or three valid, IO 2 year valid they want. Is it clear? But for most of the PSU, they use the current year gate score. Is it clear? Next one is that, but depending on the COVID-19 or the situation, the schedule of the GATE 2021 exam may be changed. Is it clear? So it is temporary, but I think for the best and prepare for the worst. That in February, I hope till February, this COVID situation will be normal. Is it clear? As we know that our organization mode is IIT mode. Then again, examination mode is computer based test, 3 hours, sections general aptitude plus this one. Now we have question multiple choice questions, multiple select question, numericals. Now this time they mention one more thing. This is new thing for us because up to this year or up to last year they did not mention any type of year for any type of question they asked. But this time they clearly mentioned that recall type of question, comprehension type of question, application type of question, and what analysis and synthesis type of question. First, our main focus should be, sir, what we mean by recall type of question, what we mean by comprehension type of question, what we mean by its application type of question, and what will be mean its analysis and synthesis. And they already defined that what is the meaning of this one. Just give me 1 minute. Now, what is the meaning of recall type of question? Recall type question means that these questions are based on the fact, principle, formulas, or laws in the discipline of the paper. Is it clear? And the candidate is expected to be able to obtain answer either from his memory of the subject or at most from one line computation. Is it clear? So it should be clear that what is the meaning of recall? Means simple formulas, fundamental laws, principle, facts. Then in this section they will ask question like that. Is it clear? Now, what is comprehension type of question? These questions will test the candidate's understanding of the basics of his or her field by requiring him or her to draw simple conclusion from the fundamental ideas. It means conclusive type of thing. Suppose we studied first law of thermodynamics and they will ask any question that is from the conclusion part like free expansion type of questions like that. Third one is application type of question. Is in these questions the candidate is expected to appear his or her knowledge either through the computation or by logical reasoning. Is it clear? We can say the toughness level is going to increase in such a manner. And last one is analysis and synthesis type of question. Then it is one of the most toughest part in this because in these questions the candidate is presented with the data, diagrams, images, etc. that will require before a question can be answered. And synthesis means two or more information, or we can say these questions will be a combination of more than two or more concepts. Suppose they merge any two concepts of two different subjects, you will get such type of question like charging of a tank, such type of application and its analysis of the formulas. So I hope it should be clear that what is the meaning of recall, comprehension, application, and analysis and synthesis. Is it clear up to this point? There should be no doubt. Our next thing is that, sir, what is about negative marking? Now we will discuss, as we know that all the questions in the GATE exam will be of 1 or 2 marks in three types. First one is multiple choice. And in this section you will have 1 by 3 negative marking. 1 by 3 negative marking in 1 marks question. If you will get give wrong answer, then you will get minus 0.33. And in 2 marks question, if you will get negative, if your answer is wrong, then you will get minus of 0.67 marks in this section. Is it clear? Now second one is multiple select question. In multiple correct questions, you will have more than one option that may be correct. But suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 options and 3 options are correct. But you pick only first and two. Then in that case, you will get 0 marks. In that case, you will get 0 marks. Is it clear? If you will take third also, then you will get full marks. Is it clear? And if your answer is wrong, then you will get 0 marks. There is no negative marking in this section. Third one is NAT type of question, numerical answer type question. In this section, again there is no negative marking. Is it clear? This is the pattern of the questions. I hope up to this point there should be no doubt. Now next we will discuss the about the dates and the combination, that which combination of exams or which combination of subject you can appear with that in GATE exam. And one more thing, the fees for general candidates are 2000 for male candidates, and for female it is of extended note, sorry, 1500 and 750. And if with late fees you will get this one. Is it clear? And it is clearly mentioned that per paper, if you want to appear for two different papers, then you need to pay 1500 into 2, that is 3000 rupees for two different papers. Is it clear? And the last date is 30 September, that is regular one. Now important dates of the your website will open on 15th of September, then it will close 30th of September. Extended will be 7 October. Then, if there is any change, 30 November. Admit card will be available on 8th January. Then examination is from 5 February, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14. But for we are chemical engineer, 99.99% our slot will be first weekend only. It's 5, 6 or 7. Is it clear? And then result 22 March. This time result will be late by 1 week. Otherwise, every year result will be around 10 to 12 March around. Is it clear? I hope up to this point there should be no doubt. Now we will check the combination of subjects, that in which subjects you can appear as a chemical engineering. We are chemical engineers, so we can appear for CY, PE and XE. What is CY? CY is chemistry, PE is petroleum engineering, and XE that they added this year. Is it clear? Then you need to appear, you can appear one. And there is, it is not the compulsion. It is not the compulsion, then you need to apply both one. You can apply only first. Is it clear? Then other students can also sit in chemical. Which students? PE. They can also apply for chemical engineering. XE. They can also apply for chemical engineering. Is it clear? So I hope number of candidates CY chemistry candidates can also apply for chemical engineering. It means except us, three different other branches can appear. If you will go to their home, then they can also come to your home. Na? That's why. Is it clear? This is the combination. Now one question should be in your mind. Should we attempt both the papers? So it's my personal suggestion to you. If you are if you are third year or final year student and GATE is your first attempt, then you need to appear only and only your main paper, because it is not easy to finish the syllabus this only. If you will fill both paper, then you will find a lot of problems and you will not get a good rank in this also, and you will not get a good rank in this paper also. Is it clear up to this point? If there is any doubt up to this point, please write in comment box. Is it clear up to this point? Yes or no? Up to this point, each and everything is clear or not? Please write in comment box yes or no. Very good. Now we will discuss the syllabus of the GATE. That in GATE chemical engineering, the changes they made. Very good. Now we will discuss the syllabus that they made changes in chemical engineering and remaining these things signature, and you are not kids, you already know all these things. This is our GATE syllabus for chemical engineering. Is it clear? Again, in GATE chemical engineering, you will get 15 marks from general aptitude, and it will contain 10 questions, 5 questions of 1 marks, and 5 questions of 2 marks. In this way, you will get 15 marks and you will get 85 marks question from technical section plus engineering mathematics. You will get 12 to 13 marks from the mathematics, and you will get 72 to 73 marks from technical section. In this section, there is no major change for us. Is it clear? Now we will discuss the newly added topic in this one. Is it clear? We will start the process calculation. In process calculation, there is no new change of this one. I of use of tie component, it already present. Check, because I don't teach process calculation. Now we will start with the thermodynamics. First and second law of thermodynamics already was there. Application of first law to open and closed system already in syllabus. Second law and entropy already is there. Thermodynamic properties of pure substances already in there. Equation of state, residual property. There is no change in thermodynamics syllabus. That is good for me because I also teach thermodynamics. Now in fluid mechanics, the topics they added. They add fluid. They added surface tension, transport properties, equation of motion. If you are my classroom student or online student, even I always discuss equation of motion in my classroom. Then equation of mechanical energy. Is it clear? These 4 topics they add in your syllabus. Is it clear? So not a very big change. This one is. Now come to the heat transfer. In heat transfer, they added only one thing, that is equation of energy. Is it clear? Equation of energy. Again, in mass transfer, they added one unit. In your semester exams, you studied one part, that is membranes or separation, membrane separation. They add that section, membrane separations, which contains microfiltration, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, and reverse osmosis. Is it clear? This is the added syllabus in the mass transfer operation. Then in chemical engineering in CRE2, they added some rate and performance equation of catalytic deactivations, and this one kinetics of enzyme reaction, Michaelis-Menten and monod models. Is it clear? I always teach all these things in class. Catalyst deactivation and all these things. Now we will elaborate. We will describe in a elaborate manner. Is it clear up to this point? In instrumentation process and dynamics control, they added 2 things: P and ID, equipment symbols. Is it clear? And second one, they added transducer dynamics. They added these 2 topics in your GATE syllabus. Is it clear? Principle of then Plantian and economics nearly same. There is no change in all these syllabus. So nearly we can say these topics they have added in this year. Is it clear up to this point? Then what is overall analysis? Overall analysis is that this year the competition will increase. The number of applicants will increase because other branches candidates can also apply in your branches and third year students will also apply for GATE. So number of candidates will increase and it will increase the cutoff as well as it will increase the this one. And the multiple correct answer question, it will increase the toughness level of the exam because those questions are not easy in nature. Because suppose there are four options and you know only two one, but there are three answers, then you will get 0 marks. And if by mistake your friend will get 2 marks, two question correct, then he will get 4 marks. Then automatically, and one more thing, they also mention in all section. It means in aptitude also you can get multiple correct choice answer. It will increase the difficulty level of the paper. So please don't skip your theoretical part. If you will skip your theoretical part, then automatically you will get a lot of problem in your gate exam. Is it clear? Now we are going to discuss one more thing, that is aptitude syllabus is also defined this time. Again, in 15 marks, you have four parts. Verbal aptitude, that contains basic English grammar, tenses, articles, adjectives, prepositions, conjunction, verb, noun, agreement, and other parts of speech, basic vocabulary, words, idioms, and phrases in context, reading, and comprehensive narrative sequencing. Second is quantitative aptitude. Again, in quantitative aptitude, data interpretation, data graphs, two and three dimensional plots, maps, tables, numerical computations and estimations, ratios, percentage, powers, exponent, logarithm, permutation and combination, series, mensuration, geometry, elementary, statistics and probability, then logic, deduction and induction, analogy, numerical relations, and one is spatial aptitude, transformation of shapes, translation, rotation, scaling, mirroring, assembling, grouping, paper folding, cutting, and patterns in 2-3 dimensions. Is it clear? This time it is not easy to get a good rank in GATE. It require a lot of hard work. Otherwise, you will not get a good rank. I hope up to this point there should be no doubt. Each and everything is clear. Now, I will discuss about some new courses which we are going to launch. First one is that is test series. In our test series up to now, 3 tests has been conducted by us, and in our test series, more than 90% questions are new. You can ask to those students who are taking at present time nearly 100 students registered in our test series, and it will increase up to 2, 3, 4, 500 as October, November, December come. Now our test series will be automatically updated, and we will include all those questions of multiple correct answer also. And it's my 100% faith because that test series is designed by me, especially not like any other a student in any just and he is going to just make. Most of the questions are new. If you are getting more than 50 to 60% in my test series, then it's my faith that you will. It means you are going in the right direction and you will get good marks in your gate also. Second one, on the demand of students, at present time, 3 batches are going on. In 3 batches, thermodynamics is going on. In one batch, mass is going on. Is it clear? Oh, students requested, sir, to again restart a mass batch, but I will start mass transfer batch in September or October. Is it clear? Because before that, totally scheduled is packed. Today I am going to launch one more batch in which you can study CRE and mass transfer at 4,999 rupees only. Is it clear? And all the classes will be live class only. Because I don't believe in the concept of recording classes, because if I will provide you 600-hour classes of live classes, then 600-hour classes of recorded classes, then you will not watch all the videos and you will waste your money as well as time. And one more important thing, that career is very important. So please don't choose those coaching institutes where they don't have any experience in your branch. They just started now, and just for less fees, if you are going to take admission, then automatically you will face a lot of problem. I am giving you very simple example. Suppose one student is A and one student is B. The student who is A, who he want to save his 5,000 rupees, and he took any fraud type of coaching, just their main motto, and that is management based coaching, that there is no faculty and nothing is there like that, things are going on just to save 5,000 rupees. Is it clear? And after some months, what will happen? They will not respond after take money, and nothing is there, and student A will not get selected in the exam. And it means he is going to waste 1 year, but B student is of such type that I need to pay 10,000 more, but I want to give my best in this attempt. Suppose he paid 10,000 more. Initially, when both of them will take admission, this student will think that this student is a just like med type of person. Is it clear? But after 1 year, when he will get selected, then what will happen? Automatically, which one is more smart? This B is more smart. Is it clear? And when you will take admission in any coaching institute, then they will give you big promises, but you know the reality. After some time, even they will not respond to your doubt. Just tell me one thing physically, or one thing just from your core of your heart. If suppose someone is providing you 500-hour lectures, is it possible, if you consider yourself as a faculty, is it possible to take doubts of 500 hours at one time? And you are not only one, there are some other students and they have some other works also. That's why I believe only and only in live class. In live class, per day I interact with a student with 90 minutes. Within 90 minutes, no bakwas, only yarn. And starting 5 minutes and last 5 minutes or 10 minutes, just for to clear your doubts. And every subjects we are going to cover more than 100 questions at present time. On my platform, total nearly 850 or 900 students downloaded this app, and the total number of enrolled students are 189, which is not a less number, because just in 45 days, it's our trust, and our almost batches are full. We are going to start CRE batch, that is from 18th. Is it clear? Again, in mass transfer, we will finish mass transfer classes in 60 to 70 hours. CRE will complete in 80 to 90 hours. Is it clear? Thermo will complete in 65 to 70 hours. This time I am teaching in a very elaborate manner because I have a time. In classroom, in physical classroom, sometimes we had limitations also. Is it clear? So that's why, and I don't believe in any advertise. I don't believe in any extraordinary things, and I don't believe in any other thing. I believe in one thing, because only due to that thing your selection will occur, and that is honesty and hard work. There is no substitution of honesty and hard work. So many coaching institute every year they purchase the result, but from their classroom, their result is zero. Last year from classroom, 35 students are there. Out of 35, 24 students qualified the gate, and 11 students are under 1,000. It is the best result of the country, I can say. Any coaching in the country, not in chemical engineering, in overall. So check our success ratio. That's why I believe in quality, not in quantity. So many students requested to join mass transfer batch, but my dream is the 60 dreams batch means 60. 60, just I say 60, but every batch 35 to 40 students I do, because if I am not able to take your doubt, then it will face a lot of problem to you. Is it clear? And even I reply at 2 a.m. also. That is the dedication of my teaching towards you. So that's why I believe in best, and every year we create destinies from classroom. And I believe in this thing only. In test series, initially I conducted a survey. Students told me, sir, we need only 30 tests. We need only 25 or 35 tests. But sir, we need qualitative tests so that we can cover each and everything. And that is my primary motto, to solve each and every question in an explanatory manner. Second thing is that till 15 August, we have an offer. So the student who is going to enroll then they will get a free chemical engineering formula book, and that book in October, that will be courier delivered to your home, and at present time 999 only. So that's why sometimes some students say, sir, your prices, yeah, initially you paid 60, 50, 60,000 in coachings, and I am taking only 18,000 to finish 6 subjects, and with responsibility. If I will cover each and every topic. That's why we are different from the people. I hope up to this point each and everything should be clear, because we are known for qualitative content and authentic results. And time to time we conducted seminars. In next week you will get one seminar again from an IAS officer, one of my senior, Neha Bandhu, who secured All India rank 121. So that, because it is not that type of platform that here cricketers and Bollywood actors will come. They will not teach you anything. They cannot teach you mass transfer or the real struggle of your life. So that's why this is the difference between us and others. Because our result is speaks more louder than pupil words. Pupil make plans and we execute that. Now I will take one more seminar any other day, that in 5 months how to finish your syllabus in a very effectively manner. Is it clear? I hope up to this point there should be no doubt. Now I am coming to that platform. If you have any doubt, just without any hesitation, please ask.